Establishing an IPv6 connection using sockets in Python. I am trying to run this very basic socket example. Yet, I get the error. The boolean has underscore IPv6 returns true. Any help?
As the socket.connect doc says, AF_INET6 expects a 4-tuple. Socket is a tuple describing a socket address, whose format depends on the returned family, A, address, port, 2-tuple for AF_INET, A, address, port, flow info, scope ID, 4-tuple for AF_INET6, and is meant to be passed to the socket.connect method. For example,
Yeah.